Hey guys, before we begin, I want to thank you for watching my new video. That was real nice of you. And thanks for the like button. And now then, today I ordered this brand new package. Yeah, from Amazon. And I'm so excited I finally got it. So let's see what we got. Okay, what we have here is, ooh, my new cable lock. It's a 6 foot. Help prevents the street stand theft. Easy to use. Self-contained locked. Nice. Okay, and a box. I always wanted a box. I always wanted a box. No, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. Can you give me a moment, please? 1 minute later. Sorry. It took me a second to open this, but now finally I did. There we are. Pretty cool, huh? I wonder. It does work. Cool, huh? Well, anyway, that's all I have. But there will be another one if I decide to order something from Amazon. So until then, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also watch my. I hope you watch my previous video again. Or if any of you are new, then please subscribe. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell for don't forget to hit the notification button for more videos. Okay? Hey, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Toodles!